the statistics of coronavirus. The biggest single-day spike is seen in positive cases in the last 24 hours. 32,695 cases have been reported in the last 24 hours and also 606 deaths. Now, it seems that those more than 6 lakh people have recovered from this disease so far. The total number has also crossed 9,68,876. India's recovery rate now stands at 63.25%. Now, we're just showing you how many daily cases are coming in every day. If you look at the number of cases and the number of recovered, the gap is increasing, but it's still a cause of worry for India. Now, let's take a look at what the top states are saying. It seems that Maharashtra is still leading, but Karnataka now seems to be on number 4, chasing Gujarat and then eventually moving it to number 5. And now, let's take a look at what's happening in Delhi. Sukirti Dwivedi is there with us. Sukirti, surprisingly, Arvind Kejriwal has been talking about the recovery numbers, and if you look at the total number of cases in Delhi, looking at the population, it's a large number. The percentage, if you take out a percentage of population that is infected, it is a large number despite the fact that daily cases may be down.
Well, yes, the daily cases is down, but at the same time, the Delhi government has been saying that they are conducting more and more tests each day, and that is why they are able to test, trace and find out how many people in Delhi actually are infected. So, of course, it is definitely worrying, as you say, as percentage of population, the total numbers of affected patients that we've reached is definitely high. We are third in the country in number of total cases. But, you know, what has actually been happening is that Delhi government itself a month ago had come out with projections that said that the way cases are doubling in Delhi, we would have 5.5 lakh cases by the end of July, and we would need about 81,000 hospital beds. So what Delhi really has been comparing with is what it was expecting, which was a much worse situation. So while the calculations about percentage compared to the affected population are true, for Delhi they had expected a nightmare almost until a month ago, where it would have been absolutely impossible for a large number of people to even find a hospital bed for themselves. So compared to those conditions, Delhi is doing relatively better, considering our active cases are less than 20,000, our recovery rate is beyond 80%, and our daily hike in cases is somewhere around 1,500, 1,600 compared to other worst affected states which are reporting 2,000 or 3,000 cases per day.
But we do have to keep it in mind that those numbers, those projections also came from the Delhi government, and it's first scare the people into believing it's going to be large numbers and then give lower numbers. This also kind of works for governments at times.